COVID-19 Part 3 Into the Epitope. From the 542nd amino acid to the 964th amino acid on the spike protein may contain epitopes. But what is an epitope and why should we care? Epitopes are small peptides that are part of the whole antigen. In the case of COVID-19, it is part of the spike protein. It is an antigenic determinant. That means it is capable of stimulating an immune response by binding to a specific antigen receptors on the surface of a T cell or a B cell. We care about these epitopes because they are very specific in the recognition of the antibody of the B cell and make memory cells. The epitope is what the cells in your body recognize on the epitope. When the epitope comes to your body, they take a naive B cell and make it specific by producing antibodies that are specific to the epitope. At the same time, they produce a memory B cell. Every time the epitope returns, the memory B cells remembers the epitope. They produce neutralizing antibodies that will fight that specific infection. The more memory cells a person has, the faster their response would be if they encounter the same infection again. The memory cells will produce a large amount of antibodies specific to the epitope on the spike protein, which will block the spike protein from entering the cell. If immunologists were to use this knowledge to create an epitope vaccine, they could benefit from the overproduction of memory cells. They developed a technique called reverse vaccinology to map the epitope. In the next video, we will dive further into this. Part 4 COVID-19 mRNA vaccines.